Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to present about Introduction to Python. I'm Divya from Coding and Technology. Python Objectives. At the end of this video, you all will be able to learn about introduction, characteristics, and applications of Python. Let's move to the Introduction to Python. Python is a high-level interpreted, interactive, and object-oriented programming language. Python is a very high-level programming language because its syntax so closely resembles the English language. High level means it's more readable to humans and less readable to computers. Interpreted means that instead of executing the source code all at once, Python executes it line by line. This makes it easier to debug a Python code because you can do it while writing the code. The interactive mode involves running your codes directly on the Python shell, which can be accessed from the terminal of the operating system. Python supports object-oriented programming that encapsulates the code within objects and also supports functional programming. It was designed and developed by Guido van Rossum and was first released in the year 1991. Now let's see what are the characteristics of Python. It's an easy language. Python has few keywords, simple structure, and a clearly defined syntax. This allows people to pick up the language very easily. It's a high-level language. Since Python is a high-level language, you no need to remember its system architecture. This feature contributes to Python's user-friendliness. It is an interpreted language. Python programs will be processing at runtime by the interpreter of Python, so no need to compile your program before executing it. It is more readable. That means Python is designed to be highly readable. It uses English keywords frequently, whereas other languages use punctuation. And it has fewer syntactical constructions than other languages. It is an object-oriented language. Object-oriented programming is a method of structuring a program by bundling related properties and behaviors into individual objects. Python is a programming language that supports object-oriented programming concept. It has a large standard library. The Python standard library is a large built-in library of modules that is a part of Python and is always available to your Python programs. It is an extensible and embeddable language. Python is an extensible and embeddable language. That means if we fail to use other programming languages to perform a specific part of a project, Python allows us to use other programming languages with it. Also, we can embed Python with other languages also. The integration of Python with other languages make it extensible and embeddable. It's a platform independent. Platform independence is yet another amazing feature of Python. It means that if we write a program in Python, it can run on a variety of platforms. For instance, Windows, Mac, Linux operating systems. We do not have to write the separate Python code for different platforms. Let's move to the applications of Python. Web development. One area where Python shines is web development. Python offers many frameworks. These frameworks have been used to power some of the world's most popular sites such as Spotify and Mozilla. Scientific and numeric calculations. Python has built-in support for scientific computing, for example, SciPy and NumPy. Education. In the educational environment, one of the uses of Python is coding. With Python syntax, you can quickly write specific concepts without having to write in other codes. Game development. Python does support game development. Pygame is a library that is a developer-friendly and easy to use for building games. Network programming. Python network programming is about using Python as a programming language to handle computer networking requirements. Database access. Python supports various databases like MySQL, Oracle, etc. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Python's concise syntax implies that it requires less coding time. So developers regard it as a great choice for artificial intelligence and machine learning for the creation of wide range of applications. Python is definitely the programming language of the future, and also it has tremendous popularity. Hence, if one knows how to code in Python, one will definitely benefit a lot from it. I hope you learned what I taught about Python. Thank you for watching.